Some cars are classic, but some become legends forever. Today on DriveSphere, we are standing in front of one of the rarest and most elegant Mercedes-Benz icons ever created, the legendary W111 280 3.5, the very first S-Class generation powered by a handcrafted V8 engine. And trust me guys, these cars are not just restored, they are reborn on Concours-Level perfection. Welcome back to DriveSphere. Today we are at Motor Classic Hungary, surrounded by three absolute automotive gems, from the golden beige coupe with its stunning tobacco brown interior, to the dark blue cabriolet known as Project Blue. Every single detail on these W111 models feels like automotive art. And what makes this even more special is the restoration quality. Everything is done completely in-house at Motor Classic Hungary. The chrome work, the grille, the bumpers, the wood trim, even the smallest screws underneath the car look factory fresh. This is the kind of restoration where the vehicle looks even better than when it originally left the Mercedes-Benz factory decades ago. Just look underneath this W111. Every single component is restored with precision. Authentic materials have been used everywhere possible, while non-restorable parts like tubes have been carefully replaced without compromising originality. Even the exhaust system and mounting straps look absolutely flawless. This is true Concours-Level craftsmanship. Now when you move toward the front of the car, the design immediately tells you why this generation became timeless. The massive V8 grille with its bold horizontal chrome layers gives the car such a strong road presence. And honestly guys, when you look closely, you can clearly see where modern Mercedes-Benz design inspiration comes from. Even today's latest luxury Mercedes models carry DNA from these iconic classics. The US-Spec headlights on this example look especially beautiful because of their unique two-piece design, combined with the enormous chrome grille and elegant proportions. The entire front end feels majestic. Every angle of this W111 screams luxury, elegance, and prestige. And then comes the side profile, probably one of the most beautiful coupe silhouettes Mercedes-Benz has ever created. The chrome detailing around the windows, the mirrors, the bumpers, and even around the taillights reflects pure old-school craftsmanship. The curves are smooth, elegant, and timeless. What makes these cars even more exclusive is the production number. Only around 3,270 W111 coupes were ever built, and the Cabriolet standing next to it, just around 1,230 units were produced worldwide. That rarity is exactly why these cars have become collector masterpieces today. And yes guys, the value is unbelievable. This Concours-Level cabriolet can reach around a negation 499,000, while the coupe sits close to a negation 299,000. But honestly, when you see the quality and experience these cars deliver, you understand why collectors are willing to pay such incredible prices. Now let's move inside, and this is where the magic truly begins. Opening the door feels like entering a luxury lounge from the golden era of Mercedes-Benz. Beautiful beige leather surrounds the cabin, while the roof liner itself is finished completely in leather. The seats look stunning, soft, elegant, and handcrafted with incredible attention to detail. And then there's the wood trim, absolutely breathtaking. The dashboard, pillars, and interior accents are covered in rich polished wood that gives the cabin such a warm and luxurious atmosphere. Even the chrome inside the cabin has mirror-like perfection. Everything feels mechanical, authentic, and premium in a way modern cars simply cannot replicate. Now it's finally time to drive the legendary W111 280 3.5. The moment you place the automatic gearbox into drive, the car moves effortlessly. Smooth V8 power, elegant comfort, and unbelievable refinement for a car from this era. The steering feels light, visibility is amazing, and seeing that iconic Mercedes-Benz star standing proudly on the hood makes the experience feel truly special. Inside, the blue leather interior perfectly matches the exterior paint, while the wood trim continues across the entire dashboard and pillars. Every inch of this cabin feels handcrafted. And despite being a luxury classic, this W111 still feels surprisingly capable and confident on the road. The suspension glides beautifully, while the V8 delivers smooth power delivery with effortless cruising comfort. We also have features that were incredibly advanced for the time. powerful air conditioning, a matching Becker sound system, elegant dashboard clock, and even the classic automatic antenna that rises when the radio is activated. Small details like this make the car feel alive with personality. Driving this cabriolet with the roof down creates an unforgettable atmosphere. The sound of the V8, the luxury around you, the long hood ahead with the Mercedes star guiding the way, it's not just driving anymore, it's an experience. And of course, when these priceless classics are delivered to clients around the world, Motor Classic Hungary uses specially designed transport trucks built exclusively for classic Mercedes vehicles. Every detail is handled with precision and care to keep these masterpieces protected. Guys, this is exactly why the W111 remains one of the greatest luxury classics ever built by Mercedes-Benz. Timeless design, handcrafted quality, rare exclusivity, and a driving experience that still feels magical even today. Thanks for watching DriveSphere. If you enjoyed this legendary Mercedes-Benz W111 review, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury automotive content like this. And tell me in the comments, Coupe or Cabriolet, which one would you choose? I'll see you guys in the next one.